What's up? Hey, welcome to TDEC's virtual summer camp, week 5. This is Make a Difference Monday, and we're gonna be talking about getting outside. It's summertime, and it is time for us to be hiking, picnicking, and just enjoying nature. So stick with us, and we're going to figure out some tips and tricks to help have a better time. All right, guys, so we just got done with a little bitty hike, and we are now going to have our picnic. So it's always fun to take a break from your hike, take a break from exploring or being in the park to have a nice picnic. Bring some snacks, rest, drink some water. Now, whenever you're going on a hike and you're out in the outdoors, you will definitely want to drink some water because you're going to be sweating. You don't want to get dehydrated. I always bring a reusable water bottle. This way I can keep filling it up at the water fountains and not have to carry a bunch of bottles of water and leave those around or have to lug them back out, because whenever you're hiking, the best thing to remember is whatever you bring in, you have to bring back out. You can't leave any type of litter or trash on the trails, because that, number one, that could hurt the animals that live there. Number two, it doesn't look good. And number three, it's bad for the environment. So remember, if you're going on a hike or you're having a picnic, bring a reusable water bottle. All right, well, we're all rested up. It's time to leave. We're done with our picnic and our hike for the day. So what I always like to do is bring a bag with me, because it's very important. Like we were talking about earlier, whatever you bring in, you got to bring out. So, you know, if you get done with one of your cans of Coke, or you get done with your snack tray, you don't want that trash to be just in your backpack. So bring something that you can reuse. This was an ice bag, so I just used this instead of throwing it away, and you can put your trash in it. So I've already put all my trash up, and if you want to go above and beyond for the environment, look around. If somebody's left a can or left some trash, pick that up. Be a good person and pick up the litter and bring it out of the trail. Let's see if we can find some around here. Look, here we go. Someone left their can. Why would they do that? Ew. But you want to be careful whenever you're picking up other people's trash. You don't know if they are sick or if if there's a sharp edge on it. So always be careful whenever you're picking up trash. You want to maybe use gloves, but it's super important to bring out what you bring in on a hike and make sure that you leave it better than you found it. All right, guys, so we hope that you learned a lot today. This was Make a Difference Monday for TDEC's virtual summer camps. This is week 5. We hope you've been tuning in for all of our videos, and we've got Trash Reduction Tuesday, so come back again and we'll have a really cool activity for you. Make sure, to make a difference, bring your reusable water bottle, bring your trash bag so you can always bring out the trash that you bring in and make this nature beautiful for the next person. Have a great day.